Welcome to Specialist Sales. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to place your order online. Whether you're a new or returning customer, our ordering process is designed to be fast and straightforward. Let's start by browsing our products. You can explore our full range by category. We carry everything from animal health and farm chemicals to pest control and turf and domestic products. For this example, we'll select the ZetTags 2-piece tag, a popular item for livestock identification. Simply click on the product to view the details. Once you've found what you need, select your preferred option from the drop-down menu, choose your quantity, and click the Add to Cart button. It's that easy. You can continue shopping for more items or proceed straight to checkout whenever you're ready. You'll notice your cart counter updates in the top right corner, so you can always keep track of your selections. When you're ready, click the cart icon to review your order. From there, click the checkout button to begin the final steps. On the checkout page, you'll enter your delivery details. Provide your company name if applicable, your full address, suburb, state, and postcode. We deliver across Australia, and our address fields make it easy to specify your shipping location. As you complete your checkout, you'll see an option to sign me up to receive news and deals. This includes email and SMS notifications about exclusive offers and product updates. Check this box if you'd like to stay connected with us. It's completely optional. Next, you'll see Ship Safely Shipping Protection. This is an important feature that protects your order during transit. By opting in, you can ensure that if your package is damaged or lost in transit, you'll be covered. Ship Safely gives you complete peace of mind, knowing your purchase is protected every step of the way. We highly recommend enabling this protection for your order. You can toggle it on or off using the switch provided. Choose your preferred payment method. We accept PayPal, Visa, and MasterCard, all processed securely through our trusted payment partners. Once you've reviewed all your details, billing information, shipping address, Ship Safely protection status, and payment method, simply click the Place My Order button to complete your purchase. Your order is now submitted, and you'll receive a confirmation. That's it. Ordering from Specialist Sales is simple, secure, and safe. Whether you choose to create an account for faster future orders or shop as a guest, we've got you covered with free and fast shipping on your items, locally Australian-owned support, friendly expert advice whenever you need it, secure online shopping with trusted payment partners, quality guaranteed on every product. Thank you for choosing Specialist Sales. We're here to support your agricultural and commercial needs. For any questions, feel free to contact us directly using the details at the top of our website. Happy ordering!